Nrsimha. Obeisances to Lord Nrsimha, the one blissful in yoga, who is both gentle and powerful. O Lord Nrsimha, who are splendid with ferocious power, who are the most ferocious, the most expert, the most saintly, and the most auspicious. O King of the Yogis, Lord of Lords, and the protector of the process of yoga, you are the remover of the sufferings of those who are dear to you. Your wonderful form is described in the Agamas, half man, half lion. Please glance upon me, who is without shelter and possess no good qualities. O Nrsimha, please protect me too, for I am trying to be your devotee.